Hey guys, it's Auntie. Yes, I'm feeling better today. I'm telling you guys, I think I just needed those IV fluids and steroids. Okay, so I went out today. Yesterday I had a doctor appointment, and my doctor appointments were good yesterday. So yay, good doctor appointments. Okay, get a little winded still. But look, today I went to on a fruit and vegetable haul. So I got yellow. Well, we in the country, in the south, in the deep woods of the country, we call it yellow meat. Yellow watermelon is sweeter than the red. So don't buy whole watermelons here, because Caitlin won't eat a whole watermelon. It'll end up getting thrown away. And so got the yellow watermelon. I buy about a slice at the International Farmers Market, the calf market. Got the red one. Got some nectarines. And y'all, let me tell you something. When you buy them like this, you lift up each one of them and you look at it individually to make sure it have any nits or whatever in them. And then what you do, you take that one out, and then you look at another box, and then you swap them out. Hey, don't judge me. Got some plantains. They're not ready. They have to be nice and ugly and yellow. Got her a couple of bananas. She don't eat buying a whole bunch of bananas. It'd be a waste. Unless I should have got more. No, I get more later, because I'm gonna make her some banana pancakes when Mama gets 100%. Got my limes, because I want to make a margarita cheesecake, because I like the margarita cheesecake. So I got my limes. Definitely had to get my lemons. All the stuff came from the farmer's market. I love my produce from the farmer's market, because I want to make my lemon ice cream, and I use lemon vodka, lemon whatever you want to call it, from ice cream. So I got my lemons already. Okay, so this is my little fruit haul. Just a little bit of stuff, for old Kate Pot. Now I'm going with my veggies. I got me some beautiful tomatoes these are called on the vine tomatoes. They on the vine tomatoes, because the kitchen is closed right now. So Katie Pot is on her own with sub sandwiches and foods of convenience, aka frozen. Okay, and I bought one Roma tomatoes because I'm going to make something very special that requires this Roma tomato, and you guys are going to love that dish that I'm going to make that is going to require only this one Roma tomato. Okay, I got some fresh yellow corn. I wanted white corn also, but they didn't have white. They only had yellow, and they had the yellow white. I don't like that kind. I only like yellow, straight yellow, or straight white. And so I got this one. Got me 2 zucchinis. Got me some squash. I got a lot of squash because I'm going to be making a zucchini squash something, whatever. And then some squash by itself. These are cucumbers. Here's my zucchini. I got me 3 zucchinis. I love my Vidalia onions because they're in season. Gotta have those. I only needed 1 bell pepper, so I got that. Got some sweet potatoes, because Caitlin has been asking for roasted sweet potatoes. Okay, so put that over there. I'm telling you guys, me and my scooter, we were in business today. Then I also went to the Curb Market. Curb Market is what municipal market, but if you grew up here in Atlanta, that thing has been around since the 60s. We call it the Curb Market. Got some collards. I don't eat collards. Let me tell you about these collards, okay? This was Skip's favorite vegetable. So I'm going to cook these collards, but I'm going to gift them to someone some people. I'm not going to eat them because I can't eat collards anyway. I'm not collard girl. But I bought this little small bag of collards. I'm going to cook them. So I bought this little small bag of collards. Throw that over there. Not for a little housekeeping. Got some Brussels sprouts. I like my Brussels sprouts from the farmer's market because I get to pick them individually and I get to pick out the ones I like. I don't like pre-bag. But if that's what you have to buy, that's what you have to buy. I got nothing against it, but it's just a personal preference. Now I got this little bag of turnips, and I got the turnip roots. I like turnip roots, and so these babies are gonna be chopped up after all my vegetables, my collards, these turnips. They're gonna get a baking soda bath, and they're gonna be cut up. But these are already cut. That's why I like going to the curb market, because they already have these cut, and it take the work out because Auntie don't pick greens, okay? No, sorry, Bob. And these are going to get a good baking soda wash. The thing about turnips, you can't just throw these in and do a quick wash. Turnips, dirt gets trapped in turnip leaves, so you got to wash, guys. I'm telling you, turnips is a lot of work when washing. Okay, so Caitlin's going to get a lesson in how to wash turnips and greens. Okay, the Pamper Princess is coming after Castle. Okay, and I have my turnip roots, and these are like $1.49. So you know, these are going to be cut down a little bit smaller. Okay, now I've been craving some fried green tomatoes, so I only got 2 because that's all I wanted. Oh, and I have been wanting me some rutabagas. Again, curb market, because the rutabagas, I can get them already peeled because I cannot peel a rutabaga. And these are like $3.19 for this bag. And when I cook rutabagas, I mash them up like my grandmother used to mash them up for me. And a lot of my food get mashed up anyway. So I got my rutabagas. I got this one little thing of bok choy. Caitlin had been asking for some just a straight Asian ramen dish, noodle soup. So I got this one pack of bok choy. And I got just 2 small heads of fresh broccoli because I needed some fresh broccoli. And I got this little teeny weeny head of cauliflower that I need to put with this dish. Oh, and this is my favorite. I got this beautiful eggplant. Oh, you know, this egg, when I saw this, I was looking for an eggplant. And this, to me, when I saw this one, this eggplant is so pretty. This is going to be something I've been craving. And so I got my 2 red onions because I needed these 2 red onions for something. Here, I'm telling you, the kitchen is going to reopen. Got me 3 scallions because scallions are sweeter than onions. Even though the Vidalia onion is sweet, you got the sweet yellow onions, but scallions, but onions can be onions can be overpowering sometimes. And scallions, they have a milder, sweeter taste to them. And I think that's all my goodies. I got my sweet. But I got me some Yukon Gold potatoes over there, but I don't feel like going back over there to the table to get them. What else? Do I have anything? Oh, one more thing. Oh, did I show you this? I don't know. I got this one red bell pepper. Not one red bell pepper. This one green pepper, red bell pepper, whatever. Yeah, you gotta know what this is. What do you call this thing? What, rumble, stumbles, and crumbles? What's this called, y'all? Green bell pepper. Got this one green bell pepper, and I busted it. Yep, I sure did. I busted it. That's okay. It's still delicioso. It's gonna get used. The only thing I didn't get was my portobello mushrooms. I keep portobello mushrooms in the fridge. It don't really matter because Auntie don't have the energy to prep them because I have to prep these greens and turnips anyway to get them a good wash, not baby powder, baking soda wash, and get them in the freezer. Because when they thaw out, they're gonna wither down another one anyway. But it's fine. It's all cool and copacetic. So I'm gonna show you. Oh, I wanted some grouper, and the only place I'm gonna get my fish is from the DeKalb County International Farmers Market because I like it there. And I'm telling y'all, I know some of them people, they probably hate to see me coming because I make them lift up out every fillet because I'm real OCD. I don't like my fillets split. I like to see them really nice and pretty in uniform. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about because I got me two beautiful, beautiful grouper fillets, and it's different types of grouper. So I had already got me some red snapper fillets, and they're in the freezer. But I'm going to show you my grouper fillets. I need to clear this stuff out. Hold on. Remember what I said, get your clothes. Caitlin's on salad duty and sandwich duty or diet or whatever they call it. So we got her iceberg. She's got her romaine. Her ciabatta buns, in which I'm going to, what I do with these, I wrap them individually in 4 layers. And then I put them in a freezer bag. And when she wants them, she can pull them out individually, and they are just as soft as the day I bought them. No, she does not eat a 12-inch sub. These are cut in half and wrapped in 4 layers of saran wrap, and then placed in freezer bags, and they remain soft. Okay, and like I said, it's on convenience until the auntie kitchen reopens. So we got those out the way. I'll show you guys my grouper. Okay, here's my red skin grouper. Oh, I love this. The grouper is grouper is my favorite fish. And yeah, I know, because see, sometimes when you go there, sometimes the grouper fillets, they'll be split right here. They'll be split, look like a wishbone. I don't want those. I like it. I'm telling that OCD kicks in. I don't want to look at them like that. So see, this is it. My red skin grouper. And this is, and see, it's got that nice one thick bone right there. And you can cut around that. But usually what I do, this is 2 nice meals for me. So what I do, I just I freeze them like that, and I freeze them like this. This will be 1 fillet, and this is what I do. I just freeze it. And it'll go into a freezer bag once I get it wrapped a couple of times. And I don't want to touch my saran wrap with this hand because it's touched this raw fish, and I don't want my saran wrap contaminated. I don't want my roll contaminated, whatever. That's my group of fish, and I will label it, and then I'll do the other one like that, and I'll show you guys how I label my stuff that goes in my freezer. And so I'll show you how I label my stuff. But you know how I label it. You know how I label it. Ain't no secret. I label my stuff. I label everything. I probably labeled my children when they were born. I label everything is labeled with me. And the reason is I label things because it helps me out. And so, this can go here, and I can take this off now. I don't need that. A little housekeeping. Okay, so now that's my last fillet. And hold on, let me get labels. See, I don't think I do is I label what it is, and I put today's date on it. And because today's the 12th, throw that over there, but not for housekeeping. And since I did, I gotta find out where this starts at so I can put the label on. Because I forgot to do that. And that's it. And now, this is nicely, now I have me, this is 4 meals. Well, yeah, one for me, one for Caitlin. So I have my grouper. So that's about it. And I had got me, so that's it. So thank you guys. I just wanted to show you my haul for today. That's about it. I will talk to you guys later. Now it's time for me to go rest again. All right. Hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Thank you. Oh, and to my new nieces and nephews, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Appreciate that. Get that off of there. Little housekeeping. Okay. I'll talk to you later. All right. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.